In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a call to action just like this as you are seeing on the screen with your customized logo and information. For example, like YouTube subscribe videos using this software. If you are new to this, is like a lifetime deal and you can do a lot with this. There, as you can see, you have templates for lot of different kinds of videos. You can do animation videos, 2D and 3D animation, bobblehead videos. You can create emoji head videos. As you can see, there are a lot of options, but in this video we will be looking at how we can edit our call to action videos, for example YouTube. And this is on a lifetime deal. That means you only pay once and you can use it forever without worrying about paying for monthly. For example, if you look at their competitors like Beyond, they also provide like animation videos and call to action videos. If you go to their pricing, it's really costly. Like you need to pay like at least $25 per month, even when you only get 720p video export. But with this, you can export 4K videos and unlimited. So that itself will get your money back if you plan to use it for your day-to-day needs. And it can be like a very powerful video editor and can work like a complementary for your existing video editor. You can import a lot of really high quality assets with this, as you can see. So let's see how this works. So in order to get started, just click on like start from scratch. You have a lot of options here, but for this video we will stick with call to action for our YouTube video. Click on like scenes and scroll down to where it says YouTube. Here you can see like there are a lot of call to action options that you can use with your YouTube video. You have subscribe, you can showcase your YouTube logo, and as you can see, we have the profile transition. There is like a newsroom kind of thing, and you have also the option to create subscribe buttons. These are all like highly customizable, as you can see. So for this video, I'll show you how we can change our subscribe banner with our logo and our information. If you just click here, and you can just drag and drop it to your canvas just like that. And if you move your playhead, as you can see, now it's the Create Studio official text and the image is not our logo. We can easily replace it by just clicking on this, and when you click, you can see like you can edit everything. For example, I can make this as soft review and it's instantly changed my channel name here, and you can also play with the subscribers count. I'll let it be like that. And for the actual image, you can just click on replace. I have already uploaded like an image here in the global settings, as you can see. So I just need to click on it, and as you can see, it's instantly changed to my logo. And yeah, that's how easy it is to actually do the customization. So if you click again, and you can even change all the colors and the button icons. As you can see, subscribe button color, the bell icon, the box. If you want some other color, you can change that. And there are like different animation effects that you can do with this as well, and you can also adjust the properties of this, and you can also add special effects if you want. Since this is a beginner tutorial, I'll just stick with the basics here. If I don't like this color, then I can change the box color to something like black, as you can see. So that won't work well. Maybe some other color. I can make it, I think the white is the best color. You can change the bell icon color and you can change the subscribe button. Everything can be customized. But instead of this rectangle, I would like this to be like a rounded corner. For that, I can just double click. That will take me to the full view of all the elements. And as you can see, this is the rounded rectangle. That means this one. So if I select it, when I select it, as you can see, this got selected, and I can just, I hope you can see this point, right? So if I just left click on it and just drag it, now I can adjust the corners. As you can see, I like this kind of a style. So yeah, I can now go back and actually save the button like this. Now when it's played, it will show like a rounded button. Once you are happy with all the edits, all you can do is just click on save and just call it as YouTube call to action. That can be like our project name. Only when you save your project, you can actually export this video. So when you export, make sure that you are exporting it as a transparent. So here I'll have to select or a movie. I'll select a movie and I'll toggle this on for transparency. Then all you need to do is click on select and give it a name like a YouTube call to action button. So I have this button saved. When I click on save, as you can see, our edited video will now get exported. And what you can do right now is, for example, open your video. I'll just show you like now as you can see, I have my video here. This is like a previous project. I want to display this call to action somewhere here. So what I can do is I can go to the exported file here. This is the YouTube call to action. I can just drag it to my timeline just like that. And if you see right now, we have our exported video, our call to action. So if I just see, the video is now correctly playing. That's how you make changes to your existing templates, and that's how you export your video. I hope I'll have the link in the description where you can check out this lifetime deal. I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something new, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe,